Hi guys, this just arrived and I already love the packaging. I got it for my friend 50th birthday. These are the 27 forever roses and everything comes in this clean protective box. And here is the moment you open it. Just look at that 27 real roses arranged in an elegant round box with a ribbon and little message card. What surprised me most is that these are actual real roses preserved right at the peak bloom. So they hold this soft natural look for 1 to 3 years. No water, no sunlight, no upkeep at all. You literally just set them down and enjoy them. They are also unscent, which is great if you're sensitive to strong floral smells. And honestly, the color is even richer in person. They have different colors. I got them in red color. They have them in pink, blue, white. So this works for birthday and anniversary, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day. If you want a gift that actually lasts, this is a really beautiful option.